Hello, I am Jody Paver, the Family Consumer Sciences Extension Agent in Lincoln County. And you are the awesome, wonderful, exciting volunteers who have volunteered to help put together the Fort Herod area responsibility for the state homemaker meeting, the 52 centerpieces, 54, and all of these small little treats that are going to get for each person at the banquet. And so what we have today is this is kind of a how-to video of how to make the different items so that everyone's turns out looking pretty similar and we'll be ready for the state homemaker meeting. So thank you so much for your time and let's get started. First, you're going to need to gather some items from your extension office or from your home. And so the things that are not in the box are a hot glue gun, and of course you're going to need extra glue sticks. Please use safety when using your hot glue gun. Next, you're going to need paper scissors, all right? And then you're also going to need fabric scissors, or if you are a whiz with a rotary cutter, you are very welcome to use your rotary cutter. We have patterns for the pennants to be cut out of blue felt. So you have two options. One, you can lay the pattern on the blue felt, trace it around with a marker, and then cut it out, or you can pin the pattern onto the felt and then cut it out. So these are the items that you're going to need from your office or your home in order to work on these centerpieces. Next, you will have a tub that Callie and I have worked hard to create from the wisdom and decision making of the meeting of the presidents group and from Leonie, our area president. So we have the item itself and then we've broken it down so every county has the same supplies, so everything will look very, very similar. All right, so let's unbox. Here we go. In your box, you will have 3/4 of a yard of blue felt. You will have a folder that has very important things in it. And inside that folder is a clipped thing that we're going to go through later on in the step-by-step tutorial of how to make the different pieces. Next, you have the pattern for the pennant. I went ahead and put 2 patterns in, so that way if you are pinning this on the felt, you have 2 patterns to be able to help manipulate to make sure that you can get your 7 pennants out of the felt itself. If you are using the rotary cutter, you may just want to use the dimensions and be able to cut the best that you can. I know we have some very talented individuals who are a whiz with using a rotary. All right, next we have Elmer's glue sticks. They are the purple invisible glue, so they are supposed to dry clear. Every county has a blue, yellow, and white sparkle ribbon, which we're going to tie bows all together around the edge of our jars. Now, I did forget to say that every county needs 7 quart jars, but I'd already previously talked to each county, and so that is needed in the things that are not included in the supply tub. Next, you have trophies. You have silver party sparkles. We have gold pipe cleaners. We have blue pipe cleaners. We have a bag of small white and silver pom-poms. We have a bag that has cotton balls and blue sparkly pom-poms.
We have a bag that has long sucker sticks.
We have 2 blue paper shredded smushies. We have 2 yellow paper smushies. I don't think smushies is really the name that we call them. They're decorative crinkles. So yes, now we have 2 white decorative crinkles or smushies. And we have a bag of blow pops, and this bag should have 75 in the bag. And then your tub is empty. You're going to use all of these items, and we're going to go through step by step about how to make each step and how to create the items so that each county items will look very, very similar, and so everything will blend together and we will really impress all of the people at the state homemaker meeting. So let's get started.